Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class student. Today date is 14 June 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter is Parts of the Body. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video student, I explained you what is Braille script, the script which is used by the blind people. It means those who are unable to see. And after that I explained you sign language. This language is used by those people who are unable to speak or hear. After that I discuss keywords of the chapter and things to remember. See, after that we have completed question number A, that is fill in the blanks using correct option. Fill in the blanks using correct option we have completed in the book. See student, you have to complete book exercise. You will complete book exercise in the book only. In classwork copy you will write question answers of the chapter and you will draw the diagram. Is it clear? Because space is given in the book exercise you note down in the book only. No need to write the book exercise in the classwork copy. You complete book exercise, you note all the answers in your book, and in classwork copy student you will write the question answer of the chapter and diagram, because their EVS copy is interleaf copy. One side plain in which you have to draw the diagram and one side lines in which you will write the question answers of the chapter. So in classwork copy you will write only question answers of the chapter and you will draw the diagram. Is it clear? Complete book exercise in book only. So now question number B. Let's start with question number B. Read the clues and name the sense organ. Question number B. Read the clues and name the sense organ. So in all the questions some clue is given to you. You will read the clue and after that you will write the answer. Clue means some hint is given. Okay, some hint is given and with the help of that hint you will write the answers. So question number 1. Question number 1 is it help us to smell. And the clue is given N. So when I explained you about different sense organs of the body, we have 5 sense organs, that is eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. So here the hint is given, and by seeing this hint we have to write the name of the sense organ. So it help us to smell. So which sense organ help us to smell? Yes, your answer is right, nose. Nose is the sense organ by which we can smell. Is it clear? So nose is the right answer. It helps us to smell. As you know that what is the function of nose? With the nose we can smell the things. We can smell the fragrance of a flower, and also you can smell the eatable items also. And one more function of the nose is that with the help of a nose we can breathe. With the help of our nose we can breathe. This is also a function of a nose. This is also a function of a nose. Now second is it help us to taste. Okay, it help us to taste. So clue is given T. So which sense organs start with T? So it help us to taste. So with the help of our tongue we can taste. Is it clear? There are different taste buds which are present on the tongue, and with these taste buds we are able to understand whether the food is sweet, salty, sour or bitter. So these are the taste buds which are present on the tongue when we eat the food. So with the help of these taste buds, that is sweet, salty, sour and bitter, we are able to understand the taste of the food. So when you eat the food, that message is sent to the brain. Okay, and then brain tell us what was the taste of the food. So because brain is our controlling organ of the body. But where are the taste buds are present? Taste buds are present on our tongue. So answer is tongue. Note down the answer. Next is it help us to feel. It help us to feel, and S is the hint given to us. So student, as we know that how we can feel any object, whether the object is very hot or it is cold, or it is smooth, rough, hard or soft. So how this is possible? This is possible with the help of a sense organ that is known as skin. Skin, and that is known as skin. And another question can also be asked from this sense organ is that if it asks in the examination which is the largest sense organ of the body, so largest sense organ of the body is also skin. ठीक है, which is the largest sense organ of the body? So largest sense organ of the body is the skin. Is it clear? So we can feel whether anything is hot, cold, rough, smooth, hard or soft with the help of our skin. So question number A and question number B, you will complete both these questions in your book exercises. These are book exercises and you will write in the book only. Now question number C is the answer the following question. Now in classwork copy you will write the question answers of the chapter and you will draw the diagram. Now take out your classwork copy. All of you take out your classwork copy and note down the first question from the book. Question number C, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are sense organs? Name them. What are sense organs? Name them. So question is, what are sense organs? Name them. So what are sense organ? How can you explain, student? First of all, I explain the answer to you and after that we will note down this answer in our classwork copy. So what are sense organ? So sense organ, they are the part of the body that help us to see. Is it clear? What are sense organs? Sense organs are part of the body that help us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. Is it clear? So what are sense organs? Sense organs are the part of the body that help us to see, to smell, to taste, to hear and we can feel with our sense organs. Next, it is asked what are the name of them. So eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So these are the name of these sense organ. Is it clear? Now note down the answer. the parts of the body the parts of the body the parts of the body that help us the part of the body that help us to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel or called it sense organs. For example, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Is it clear? So note down this answer. What are sense organ? Name them. The parts of the body that help us. ठीक है, sense organ they help us to see. They help us to see, hear. We can hear with our. We can see with our eyes. We can hear with our ears. We can smell with our nose. We can taste with our tongue, and we feel with our skin. So this is known as sense organ, the parts of the body that help us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel are called it sense organs. And after that it is asked name them. So for example, eyes, with the help of eyes you can see, with the help of ears you can hear, with the nose you can smell, with the tongue you can taste the food, and with the skin you can feel whether the object is hot, cold, rough, smooth, soft or hard. So you can feel with the help of your skin. When you are writing question answer from the board, student, the best method is you take a screenshot. Okay, you take a screenshot of this answer, question answer, and after that from the mobile or from your laptop, from your mobile you can note down. Is it clear? Take a screenshot. Now what is the second question? How do people who cannot see read? Okay, so question number 2 is how the people who cannot see, it means they are blind, their sense organ, which sense organ is not working, that is their eyes, they are unable to see. So how they read? So student, for such type of people who are unable to see. So how they will read? So they read with the help of a braille script, and this script was developed by a, who developed this script for the blind people? Louis Braille. And what is in this script? There are 6 raised dot. So when they touch these dots with the finger, then only they are able to read. Is it clear? Question 2. How do people how do people who cannot see read? So note down the answer. People who cannot see learn to read using braille script. This script this script this special this special script has raised dot that one can read by touching. So this is your second answer. How do people who cannot see read? Is it clear? So people who cannot see learn to read using braille script. Now what is the specialty about this script? This special script has raised dots. that one can read by touching these dots. Is it clear? So note down the answer. After that, what do you next question is, what do you understand by sign language? Next question is, question number 3. What do you what what do you what do you understand what do you understand by sign language? So student, what do you understand by sign language? So I have already explained you that, for example, those who are unable to see how they read with the help of a braille script. It is already explained in question number 2. Now, some differently able people are those also who are unable to speak or hear. So now the question arises, how they communicate with each other. How they communicate with each other. So people who cannot speak or hear can learn to communicate using sign language. So this is known as, what do you understand by sign language? So by this language, those people who are unable to speak or hear, they communicate with each other with the help of a sign language. Note down the answer. People who cannot speak or hear, people who cannot speak or hear can learn to communicate using sign language. So people who cannot speak or hear can learn to communicate using sign language. So people who cannot speak or hear can learn to communicate using sign language. In a hot question means high order thinking skill. This question you will not write in the copy, but just we discuss. Tell about at least 2 activities where we use more than one sense organs. Okay. So this question is a homework for you. This question is a homework for you, and you will write the answer in your rough copy, not in a classwork copy. And in online class, you will discuss this answer with your teacher. Okay, thank you, student.